Some of y'all might have seen the video where yesterday I was talking about these cool toy trucks. By the way, watch this. Oh, I love that. These belong to Luke Paliocha. And he wanted me to help him do some work on some of these, which I am delighted to do. And I thought I'd start playing with it today. Now, let me say this. I didn't want to do anything until I talked to Luke, because he's like the man in charge. He's like the brains behind the brawn. He's like the person who instigated this whole thing. And nothing I do is going to make any sense without his input. But there are things. And by the way, I haven't been able to reach him. And I have a theory. I can't say for absolutely certain, and if I could, it'd probably be more prudent if I didn't, because I suspect that in real life Luke is kind of an undercover agent for a secret organization that has yet to be named and probably never will, because even to know the name of it could cause imminent death. And I suspect Luke sneaks off under the orders of the high command occasionally to rectify problems that are happening on the globe somewhere that we'll never know about and we don't need to know about. It could even involve alien infestation of some type. But I suspect he's on a secret mission right now, because I sent him messages and I didn't get any messages back. And I'm thinking, well, the only thing that would keep Luke from talking back to me would be if he's off on a secret mission. And so I suspect he's off on a secret mission right now. But I was thinking yesterday, I'm thinking a little bit today too, but yesterday I was thinking about these toy vehicles that don't have wheels and tires. And I showed y'all yesterday a way that I had come up with that I believe I could use to make tires for these vehicles. And so I think I'm going to experiment with that some today. And I have one vehicle right here. This is a pretty good for example. It doesn't have a front axle. Oh, you're looking at me. You're not even looking at the vehicles. My silly me. Okay, let's go back. See, first of all, I was playing with this one. That's such a cool little truck right there. I like that. I like it very much. And then I was showing you this one. By the way, this one doesn't have, it's got a dual axle. It's like a dual axle dump truck, but it doesn't have any axle or front tires. And this one right here, it has a nice little tire on the back, nothing on the front, but I believe I could make an axle out of a welding rod, and I believe I could cut tires out of some rubber material that I have out there using a hole saw. And so what I was going to do this morning is take these out there and see if I could locate a hole saw of the correct size and do some experimental tire making. See, even though I haven't been able to reach Luke, who may be on away somewhere on a secret mission, I could go ahead and experiment with tire making. So that's what I'm going to do this morning. Wish me luck.